Hello, what's going on, guys? So this is the part 3 of the whole virtual reality experience series, where I first talked about the Insta360 One X. You can find the video up there, and I did a part 2 that was last week, where I talked about the Oculus Quest, also up there. And today I'm doing a comparison between the very first VR headset I had, which is called the VR Box. I mean, it's a lame name for such a product, but yeah. Versus the Oculus Quest, which I solely did a video on that up there again. So yeah, let's jump into it. Where did I keep it? Okay. So here we have the VR Box. Virtual reality glasses. So first off, you should know that this VR headset is the type that you stash in your phone and put it on to experience the virtual reality world. Unlike the Oculus Quest, which is all-in-one virtual reality headset, so you don't need to place your phone in this. It already has its computer chip, whatever, built in this with its own operating system. So yeah. But for this, your virtual reality experience is solely based on whatever application you download on your phone and the compute power of your phone. So if your phone is that good enough and can handle virtual reality experiences, then you can have a good experience with this. Otherwise, then your whole virtual reality experience is going to suck. So like I said, you stash in your phone, and this is like a tray for where you can keep your phone. Then you fix it inside. So let me quickly get a phone and place this. So here I have my Huawei Y9 2019 edition, and it's quite big. I don't know the dimension, but it's quite big. So let's see if it fits into this. Removing it from the protective case. And yeah. So looking at it, it can fit in quite easy without any extra space on all sides. And yeah, so later, yeah, so like I'm saying, I don't have any virtual reality apps on this phone, because it's been absolutely a while since I used this. I think I got it in 2016 or 2015, thereabout, and I used it heavily during that time. But I think around 2017 I stopped using it for so long, and I kept it in the box, and until recently I decided to make this video, and I looked for it, and that's it. And yeah, here we have it. So I don't really have any virtual reality apps on this, and like I'm saying, that to experience any virtual reality using this kind of headset, you need to rely heavily on your phone, and so you need to get the apps on your phone separately, and you put it in like this, so it's securely in the phone. Then you wear it, but I'm not going to wear it because the leather is beginning to peel off, and it's not looking so so nice. It would stain my face and all that. So yeah, so you put it on. It has this sort of controls up here. Should I say buttons or whatever they are, for adjusting the lens. So up and down, sideways, left and right. So basically, if your eye gap is so wide, you can increase the space between the lenses. And if you want to put the lenses so close to your face, you can do that by raising them up or pushing them back, depending on how you want it. It also has a latch where you can easily open and close. In case maybe whatever virtual reality app you're using makes use of your phone camera, you can open this latch then to give some sort of a space for the camera to operate. Yeah, it has a strap which is like one size fits all kind of strap, but it's elastic so it can stretch. And looking at it now, it feels worn out in the sense that the elastic band is sort of weak now. But yeah, I tried it off camera and it still fits me perfectly, so it's okay. It's got a couple of holes, or should I say openings at both sides for some sort of ventilation, and also on the right you can pass through your charging cable or your headphone jack connector. So that's about it. And so for the Oculus, right, remember this, I said that it has an opening for your camera in case the virtual reality experience you're experiencing makes the app you're using makes use of your phone camera. You open it to your phone camera. But for the Oculus Quest, it has 4 cameras on should I say each angle. So there's 2 up here, then there's 2 down here, and this has an inbuilt headphone jack port where you can plug in your headphone jack. And oh, I see there are actually 2. I never noticed that. I don't think I mentioned that in the previous video, but I see now that there are actually 2. And yeah, this also has the lens adjustable button I talked about, where you can increase the eye gap and place the lens further away from your eyes or closer to your eyes. The Oculus Quest also has this. It's a button right here where you can push it up or down to increase the eye gap. And also, depending on the clarity, you can adjust the straps and the headset itself on your face to gain more clarity. So basically, this is my comparison between a normal VR headset, VR box, versus the Oculus Quest. And there's so much differences, especially with the fact that this is an all-in-one and this depends on your phone. So yeah, then again, they're all both virtual reality headsets, and whichever way you decide to go with, you still experience the same thing. So yeah, but I'm loving this one. Typical of me. Yeah, anyway, so that's been it. Thank you guys for watching. Do let me know in the comments down below if you have experienced any form of virtual reality game or apps or whatever the case may be. Suggest to me what I can get on the Oculus Quest or whatever VR experience you may have had. Let me know down in the comments, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being a part of this channel. I really appreciate your viewership. I really appreciate your you being subscribed to my channel. And I would like to remind you guys, if you are new here, I'll kindly appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. I've got, I think plus this one, I've got 19 videos on this channel. You can go through them and let me know what you think. If you enjoy what you see over here, please subscribe to this channel and let's reach our first 100 subscribers. That being said, I'm MJ. Peace.